Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using syntactic division. So let's have our example for x squared minus 5x plus 10 divided by x plus 3. Let's perform syntactic division in dividing these two polynomials. So first step in syntactic division is to equate our divisor. In this case, it is x plus 3 to 0. And then solve for the value of x. So we transpose positive 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us negative 3. So we change the sign every time we transfer a term to the other side of the equation. So we have negative 3. And negative 3 will serve as our divisor. So let's place it here, negative 3. For our dividend, we will copy the coefficient of our dividend. So in this case, it is 4, negative 5, and positive 10. So that will be our dividend. Okay? Then let's perform our syntactic division. So first, we will bring down positive 4. Then after that, let's multiply 4 to our divisor, negative 3. So 4 times negative 3, that is negative 12. Negative 12. Then, we perform addition. So negative 5 plus negative 4. So since they have the same sign, copy the sign and then add. So 5 plus 12, that is 17. Okay? So we have negative 17. Next is for us to multiply negative 17 to our divisor negative 3. So negative 17 times negative 3, that is positive 51. So positive 51. Okay? Then, let's perform addition. So let's add 10 and 51. That will be positive 61. And now, after we perform our synthetic division, let's proceed to our terms. So what will be our leading term? Since we divide x squared and x, our leading term will start with x because x squared divided by x is equal to x. So we will start with x followed by a constant. After our constant, it will be our remainder. So positive 61 will serve as our remainder. Okay, so how do we write our final answer? So our final answer will be, we copy this for x minus 17. Then let's add our remainder. So plus 61 all over our divisor, which is x plus 3. So our final answer will be 4x minus 17 plus 61 over x plus 3. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.